back to Keesee's World, and if you are new, welcome. Thank you for tuning in. So I am back with a wig review. 1, 2. And this is a wig that I got from Amazon, and it's definitely different than what I usually get. So I don't have the box, the package or anything. I don't think it came in the box. This is the bag it's in. This bag has been tossed around as if this is an old wig. It's like oily, literally has makeup on it. I don't even know the company name or anything, so I'm gonna have to insert that on the screen. But it comes with a satin bag. I don't know if it came with lashes, nothing, I don't know. I don't have a clue. But this is the wig. Let's pull this off. Get that out of there. This is the wig, y'all. It's a super short curly wig, and I'm so excited about it, so we can really get a good look at this lace. I need to find my HD wig caps because I think I may lay this down with the wig cap. All right, first things first, details. This is the inner. Okay, this is the inside of the wig cap. This is the construction right here. It has combs on the sides, top, middle, comb in the back with this little lace piece, adjustable straps that you hook into the bottom, and it is a lace front. But as you can see with the inside of the cap, that lace part is about an inch, maybe. Yeah, it's like an inch. So there is no parting this wig down the middle side, any of that. This is literally like wear it back because there's no parting space. So let's see how this looks. Ooh, good thing this ain't the final result. Ooh, it's really snug. Yes, I love a good snug wig. Hey, wow, okay, it definitely needs some TLC, but I think it's gonna end up looking cute once we get it on. So I like that the lace kind of dips back and kind of is forward right there. That's kind of cool because that's how my hairline is. I have a little widow's peak. It definitely needs to be tweezed a bit, but you don't want to go too hard because there's only almost an inch of lace space. Like right here, there's definitely an inch, maybe a little bit more in the front. Let's just get closer for you. Okay, so yeah, definitely, you know, a little bit of space, a little more space in the middle versus to the side. It's a little less, but I'm gonna have to tweeze it, otherwise the hairline is too harsh. So this is definitely not a wear straight out the box wig. It does need a little love. The knots are small, but this probably would look really nice if the knots were bleached. I'm gonna try to see about not bleaching the knots. I'm gonna just tweeze it out, see how it looks, and if I need to bleach the knots, I will do that in another video. This wig is from INSBEAUTY. It is a pixie cut curly 13 by 1. So I was right, it's about 1 inch. Transparent HD lace front wig, human hair, pre-plucked hairline. This is not a pre-plucked hairline. Now what they did do is make a little bit of it, maybe about 1 centimeter thinner than they did the rest. And I guess that's what some wig companies call pre-plucked. That's not pre-plucked. You just put a little bit less hair there. But anyway, to me that's not pre-plucked. What just happened to okay, here we go. Short curly glueless lace front wig. It is Brazilian virgin hair, 150% density, and it's 6 inches long. Okay, cool. 6 inches long. It is 6 inches on top. It's definitely much shorter on the bottom. So I'm definitely excited about it. I feel like I feel like even this on my head, it looks crazy, but I can kind of see what it's going to turn into. So let's see if it's going to turn into that. Let's see if I can finesse this hair enough and make it look good on me. All right, y'all, so this was the initial final result with it wet, putting in the curl cream. It's not fully dry. I was not feeling this. I'm like, this wig could be so much better. So of course I recorded this as if this was the end of my video, but I went back. So the footage you've seen in the beginning was me a couple of days later, letting it fully dry, teasing it at the roots, giving it a lot of volume. So now we're gonna cut into the new footage of the actual final result. Okay, y'all, so this is the final result of this hair dried. And I kind of gave it some volume at the top just by teasing the roots up here so that it wouldn't just flop all down in my face. And I must say, I really love it like this. I feel like it fits my face shape better. It makes this look a little more natural than when I was trying to slick it back and it was giving Vampire in Brooklyn, especially with the Widow's Peak. So now I'm really feeling it. I absolutely love this wig. All the details for this wig is down in the description box, so check it out. Okay, check it out. And as you can see, I made this hairline look really good, really natural looking. And this is the wig after wearing it for a few days. After I filmed that video, literally that night I went away to New York for a couple of days. So this is maybe 3 days later. This wig I put on the same top to make it look like it's the same day, but it's literally 3 days later. And this is what it's giving. I had a chance to play with it and to really fall in love with it. I did some pictures in this hair and love it. So stay tuned on the shorts and in the community posts. You're going to see those for sure. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, y'all. Like, stop playing and subscribe and hit those turn on the post notification button so that you know when I upload. I'm trying to be consistent and stop saying trying. I'm going to be consistent and upload 2 videos a week, but my shorts will be popping, my community posts will be popping. So there's going to be a lot for you to check out on my channel. So make sure you stay tuned and turn on those notifications so that you can see it as soon as I put it out. Okay? All right. Now, y'all know it took a lot of TLC to get this wig looking like it does. So definitely stay tuned for part 2 where you'll see everything I went through to get this wig looking like it does right here, right now.
Ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with being modest.